Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com, and in this video, I just want to do a very quick trading tool comparison and show you some technical charts and offer you up a little bit of perspective in terms of what you're going to get for free versus paid. But I want to put a little twist on this and just ask you the question, which you see right now, of the three charts right now, which one looks good to you? Now, a little bit of background, they are all the same chart. They're tracking the same stock. They're tracking the same time frame. They're just from three different chart providers. And I want you to, just like I said, look at these charts right now. They're at the same exact moment in time. And which one, again, to your eye, visually looks best for you. And there's no hidden agenda. There's no gimmicks. But I am trying to offer you and shield you from the whole perceived value thing. Meaning, if you know that one of these is paid for, or you know the amounts of money for some of these, then you could very easily be like, okay, well, yeah, that one's better. Which is not really the case. You're just creating a perception of perceived value because you know that that one actually costs money. So therefore, well, it's got to be better, right? Because it costs money. So yeah, that one looks best. So, but you're not going to have that because I've clearly not shared anything with you. And I want you to, just like I said, be completely honest with yourself, have no biases. So that way you can't have any sort of confirmation bias. Like I said, the bias of perceived value, all those are away, and which one looks good to you. And I think I've stalled long enough here for you to identify, okay, yeah, I kind of like that one the best, or yeah, that one's okay, maybe not quite as good, but you've had enough time now to kind of visually, analyze, and maybe you say all of them look great. Maybe you say all of them look bad. But like I said, the point being is, let's now break down what the comparison actually is. So we'll start here in the upper left, and this one here, that chart, if you would want to gain access to that technical chart as a tool, that's $25,000. Now, the thing here is that it doesn't actually cost $25,000 to use it. However, that is through the broker Lightspeed, who is the broker that I use. But in order to have a Lightspeed account, you need to fund your account with at least $25,000. So sure, it doesn't cost $25,000 directly, but indirectly, yeah, it's basically $25,000 because unless you are able to fund an account with $25,000, then you're not going to have access to that chart. Now, if you are able to, and that was your number one pick, well, then there you go. You would have access to those charts. Right here, this one would be in $150, give or take, per month. So we're talking right around $1,800 per year. So again, that's this one down here. $1,800 per year, $150, give or take, per month for that one. And once again, I'm not trying to push you in one direction or another, but now you're starting to see, okay, so who knows? Maybe you're like, I thought that was the worst one, and that's $150. Maybe you thought it was the best. I don't know, maybe you're kind of indifferent. And then this one up here is $100. However, the $100 is sort of like that one. That's just what you need to put into your account in order to unlock the tools, but you can use that $100 towards trading. And this is right up here through Webull. So, and which is a free broker too. So a broker free a broker and all that. So again, we have Lightspeed over here, $25,000. We have eSignal, which is not a broker. They're just simply a chart provider at $150 per month. And then we have Webull, which are free, but you do need to fund your account with $100 in order to gain access to that. And so that's the breakdown. I mean, hopefully in the perfect world, you're looking at this one and saying, yeah, the entire time, I like that one. That one looked the best because that's going to be your best deal. Once again, I'm not pushing you in one way or the other, but here's the point here that hopefully I'm conveying is, with the day and age of technology, especially if you're a beginner trader, you don't need to go out there and break the bank trying to get the best, platforms and scanners and charts and all that sort of stuff, because there's a lot of quality stuff out there for free. Now, I mean, is this one up here the best? That's your opinion. But I mean, even if it's not the best, is it at least close enough? We're like, yeah, I can make that work if it's ultimately free. I just need the $100 to fund my account, which I can still use for trading. Well, then, you go with that. But who knows? Maybe you have plenty of money. You got plenty of money to spare. Then maybe you like one of these other ones, and that's fine too. Now, the other thing with the Webull over here, I'll put a link down below, which is an affiliate link, full disclosure. But the cool thing about that link is that if you sign up, they're always running promotion, so you'll get free stock or whatever if you sign up with that link. But again, you got to deposit the $100 to gain access to everything. So click that link below. Again, affiliate link, but that's not why I'm recommending it. There's lots of other affiliate brokers out there, such as Robinhood, that I do not recommend. That's not why I'm recommending it. I'm just recommending it because, in my opinion, matching these up. I mean, I think they put up a good fight. Are they the best? I don't know if they're the best. I definitely like them more than Lightspeed. But I mean, for being totally free, it's not like it's a terrible looking chart at all. So, I mean, like I said, I suppose I am biased because it's an affiliate link, but at the same time, I think my bias is justified because, I mean, that's a quality looking chart compared to the other two. When, again, you consider this one right here, $25,000, and this one here, $150 per month. So hopefully that helps. Nothing fancy. Just wanted to give you that, upfront view before you had any sort of biases form in. But now that you know the prices, now that you know the prices that go with each one, do what you think is going to be the best for you. Do what's going to best fit your financial situation. But again, if you're a beginner, you don't have to. I know it's cool to think like, okay, I need like 5 monitors and the best scanners and the best charts and the best platforms. How about first you just learn how to get consistent a little bit, and then you start to cross those other bridges. So just something to keep in mind as someone that's just getting started or a beginner. So if you do want Webull to get those extra stocks, the free stocks that they're giving away, I'll put the link down below this video. If you want one of these other charts, again, this is Lightspeed, and then eSignal. You can find those very easily on the internet. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully it kind of gives you a better idea of what you cannot expect for the varying prices that are out there. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.